Hey guys, Meggie here from the Mediterranean Kitchenette. Are your guests this year vegans or vegetarians and you don't know what to prepare for them for Christmas dinner? Make these wonderful Greek-style stuffed vegetables. They're healthy, impressive, delicious, and they will surely appreciate them. We would love to hear from you. Please leave your comments below. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best from Meggie and Eva from Athens, Greece. Thank you so much for being here and for your support. If you fancy, subscribe for more. And thank you so much, guys. Wishing you Merry Christmas and all the best from us here. I see you guys next time.